Kitengela Pampas, endless possibilities. An exceptional home ownership opportunity. Discover the epitome of modern living. A visionary project presented by the Kenyatta National Hospital Staff Pension Scheme. Nestled in the heart of Kitengela, 5 minutes drive from the bustling Kitengela town, this magnificent development offers endless possibilities of tastefully designed townhouses, each graced with detached servant quarters. The development is iced with spacious, irresistible 2- and 3-bedroom apartments, all nestled within a secure gated community sprawling over a 15-acre lush expanse. The development provides 5-bedroom and 4-bedroom townhouses, 3-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments, freehold-ready titles for townhouses, borehole water, ample parking space, clubhouse with a state-of-the-art gym facility and swimming pool, internet connectivity and cable TV ready, private garden area for leisure and greenery, dedicated children's playground, provisional installation for solar power, CCTV cameras, electric fence and perimeter wall for enhanced security, cabro-paved driveways, street lighting, convenient access to public transportation for hassle-free commuting. Contemporary masterpiece that is Kitengela Pampas. For more information, call 0725 440 379 or 0716 444 782 or simply dial www.ebonyestates.com. Kitengela Pampas, endless possibilities.